Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam Maulana. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you, I appreciate you. In today's video, I am going to be sharing my experience with this Uwinshair wig install wig unit. I recently got it. I think this is the fourth time I'm wearing this hair, and I can't wait to show you guys how I style it and come up with these hair bangs, because look at me, how cute do I look? I was very excited about this wig because I really wanted something that I can just wear and go, because sometimes, you know, my hair be in like African threaded, or in those little twists that have shrunk and going out or doing things is just such a mission, which is why you end up finding me in a bonnet a lot of the time, because I'm just like, what must I do with this hair? So having a wig like this is a game changer for me, something that I can wear and leave the house. Guys, I need more wigs like this. I think I want straight. I think I want like really pixie, because this is like a 12-inch, which I love about it. It's like somewhere in the middle there. So I think I'd really like to go like short and see how it would look on my face. Do you think it would suit me? Anyways, guys, I really do hope that you guys will enjoy the video. I love you. I appreciate you. Mwah! So the box comes with your hair clips, dust bags, bobby pins, edge control brush, and a little bag that you can keep all of those things in, which I absolutely love, and an extra elastic bands and combs. Okay, so when you first get the hair, you'll find a plastic thing. There is a dust bag in this as well, which I'm sure I mentioned at the beginning of the video. I really love hair that comes with dust bags because it's easier to take care of and store when you're not wearing it. So this particular unit is the Big Deal Bang Curly Glueless, and it's in an 8-inch. So it's curly and it's got bangs. Comes in a natural color 1B, so this is like natural color. I think this is like 1B, and it is a medium cap size. It comes with the elastic. They do give you an extra elastic should you want to use it, and on the inside of the cap you've got 3 combs to help you kind of fit it in. So I've started this video with a wig cap on already. One of the reasons being that my hair, let me just show you guys. I was filming a tutorial, so my hair is in cornrowed and I don't want any bumps. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna really like put this wig cap on first, and then I'll go in with the second one to make sure that everything lays flat. So because it's a full unit that you don't have to glue, it's a glueless unit and it's got bangs, I don't have to worry about the color of my cap because my cap isn't going to be showing anyways. So I'm just going to put that on. If I was to tell you guys how many of these stocking wig caps I have that are laddered because of nails, it's just ridiculous. But at least right now I don't have nails because I really wanted to work this hair, honey. So if you follow me on Instagram, you've definitely seen me with this hair on. I tried it out last weekend because I didn't want this to be a first impressions. I wanted to have tried the hair out more than once, worn it, combed it out, because you know curly hair, so that I can tell you guys if the hair sheds or not. So it does shed, but it sheds the same way that I believe curly hair does shed. See, it's like nothing you're going to run home about. All the curly wigs that I have, and they're from different vendors and different suppliers, shed just the same. So I'm very happy about the fact that it's not leaving my bathroom in a total mess. So yeah, so here we go, let's style this baby. Because we've got bangs, I try to make sure that this looks funny. I try to make sure that when I wear this wig, my face, my lashes are understated, because we want the bangs to do all the work. You know what I mean? We want the bangs to work. So I just want to make sure that I've aligned this right. It looks weird. Is this right? Okay, let me just check it out. Ooh. Alrighty, yes, it is right. That is the center of the hair, and for me to put it in the center, I have to hold it here. Put the elastic first, adjust, hold the back, pull, and pin it onto the back. If you want more, if you want it to be tighter, you can just pull at these and also fasten them at the back. But I hate wearing wigs so tight that you feel like you're gonna get a headache. It's just not it. Let me try it again. Let me try it and see, because it's also really bad for your hairline. Like, your wig is not meant to be that tight, sis. And also, if I'm being honest, I'm not really worried about my wig falling off, because I don't think anyone believes this is, well, it is my hair because I bought it, but I mean, like, I don't think you guys think it's hair that's going out of my, I don't think you guys will comb it into place, because you know when something has been in a, because I washed it as well, because I really wanted to see what would happen when I put it in water, and whether the curls would bounce back and look the way they did when the wig arrived, which they did, as you could see. So now it's just a matter of styling.
If you low, I'll lift you up. Just let me know when it gets tough. Do you feel the way I do, my baby? Do you see me like I see?
Oh, in case you're wondering what I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to make sure that all the hair falls in the direction that it's supposed to. So this will kind of show you which hair, at least it shows me, which hair is facing the wrong direction. First, before you start doing anything to the hair. The nice thing about this unit is it's an easy wear and go type of style. You don't need to do too much other than just fluff, shape it, so it suits your face shape, and do what works for you.
Wanna make your dreams come true, my lady. If you low, I'll lift you up. Just let me know when it gets tough. Do you feel the way I do?
So I like to move around the bangs and leave the ones like right here. I don't want it too heavy. So what I just do is I select a few that I move to the side, and then when I'm brushing, I brush my hair up a little bit, almost as if I'm creating like some frizz. Almost as if I'm teasing the hair. Like, you know when you tease the hair for volume, like that? Yeah. So that's just how I comb it. And then I do the same on the other side, making sure not to leave this part of the hair open. So just gonna do that. Work it a little bit, and then I'm going to take like a really small comb, because you don't want to do too much, babe. You really don't want to do too much. And I'm just going to like hold some of this hair and trim it, and I'm trimming it down because you don't want the hair to be a straight line. When I wore it, I tried not to trim it so that I could do this on here for you guys to see.
Feel just like a boomerang, 'cause you change your plans every day, and you don't seem to care what I think or how it affects me. Since I lay my eyes on you, my baby, I just wanna make your dreams come true, my lady. If you low, I'll lift you up. Just let me know when it gets tough. Do you feel the way I do, my baby? Do you see me like I see you?
So what I've seen is, depending on what kind of curls you want, the medium you use to comb it out, this gives you more of a loose curl if you use a wide tooth comb, as you can see. So the curls kind of just like break apart. Whereas, wait for it, if you use a brush, look at that, it gives you like a bigger, fuller curl. So you kind of have to just decide, see, looser, smaller curl, big, full. So you have to decide what kind of curls you want in the end. I like the brush curls. It's just what I've been drawn to since wearing this wig. So I'm just going to allow it to air dry a little bit before I show you guys the final results and tell you how I feel about this hair. Jesus Cristo. It's to dry. And then for the bangs, so you can use heat on this hair. So maybe if you want like a more what do you call this, softer bang, and you don't want it curly, you can do that. But for now, I really want to wear it with the curly bang. I am obsessed with the way that it looks. It just gives me like a vibe, guys. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like when it is dry. So because, well, quarter 5 to dry, okay? So I didn't use any mousse in my hair because I really want these soft curls. I don't want it to be crunchy. I love this unit. I really like it. It doesn't shed a lot, which is a good thing. Like, I really hate combing hair out and then looking at my sink and my bathroom sink and all I can see is hair, and I have to pick it out of my chest area and my back and this, that, and the other. So the fact that it doesn't shed for me is a plus. I mean, is a thumbs up. And then the second thing is, I really wanted a wig that I can just put on and go. I didn't want to be gluing, I didn't want to be laying, it just nothing. So with this unit, I can basically put it on, spritz some water, and it can even dry on the way and you'll still be looking really good. I love the bangs, it's something different. I've always like really been into bangs. I don't know why I stopped wearing bangs actually. I think it's because like, I don't know. So you can go like flatter on here, and then you can get like this, you know, modern vibe, or you can go voluminous, which is what I love. Like, I really love it like this. It's very, I think 80s, 1980s. So I really like that about this wig. So yes, if anything changes about this hair, I'm going to come back and let you guys know. But so far so good. This is the 4th time I'm wearing the hair. I washed it 3 days ago after having worn it twice. It wasn't dirty. I just wanted to see how it would react when I would wash it. So all I did was I used conditioner, rinsed it out, and then put it out to air dry. I haven't used heat on the hair yet, so I can't really speak on heat, but so far so good. It doesn't shed. The curls really come together when you put water on it, as you saw in the clip before this. And then when it air dries, it also air dries with the curls and it doesn't frizz. I feel like this is because I keep playing with it because I want all of this volume. Sorry, I'm trying to see. Yeah, so far so good. So if this was a first impressions video, I'd say I'm impressed with what I am seeing so far. I really do hope that the hair keeps well. I hope it doesn't start to tangle. You know, especially with curly hair, like here at the back, you'll find sometimes it'll start to tangle if the hair isn't good quality. It's not doing that yet, but I really haven't worn it for a very long time for me to specify or to speak to that. If you've worn or bought Uwin's hair wigs, please let me know what your experience has been, or what hair I should try next. I'm really keen to explore wigs more and style them, and kind of go on this like beginner wig wearer journey. So yes, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate that you guys made the time to be here and watch my video. Would you wear bangs? I'm curious to know. Let me know in the comment section below. Mwah!
I lift you up, just let me know. When it gets tough, do you feel the way I do? My baby, do you see me like I see you? My lady, I love you, but I don't need you. I only want true love, true love.